Hey guys, so today I'm going to try to improve my nighttime viewing when I'm driving on a dirt road in my Sienna camper. This is a 2011. So my headlights have gotten a little dim over the years. So I mean, even if I replaced it with the normal Toyota OEM one, I think it'll be brighter. But I got something even better. I think it's a LED. So we're going to replace it with the LED and check out and compare it with the old one. So let's give it a shot. Alright, here's the look at the old lights that I'm going to replace at night. Look at the way they look at my garage. And we're going to swap out the bulbs and compare it. The one I got is this Headlight one. And you could get this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for you. And according to the website, this is the one that fits the Toyota Sienna. Some instructions. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oops. Alright, cool. Good looking bulb. So here's the LEDs. And what you would do is you would replace the old one and put in this new one, and the connector should fit perfectly. Oh, look at this. It even gives you some gloves to work with if you want to work with gloves. So that's cool. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so if you look at the bulbs, see, you got two bulbs. This is your high beam bulb and that's your headlight bulb. So this is the one we're going to be swapping out. We're not swapping out this one, just this one. So let's take a look at it from the back side. Okay, so from back here, it's this guy right here, and you should be able to just unplug this plug right here and twist this one out. So I'm going to put it on a tripod and give it a shot. Alright, so it's really hard to find a spot to put the tripod on, but anyways, there's a lever right here, a little pin, and you should be able to push that, pull that out, and from here, see this guy, you just should be able to just twist and pull out. Okay, there's the halogen. I think it's a halogen. It's either a halogen or just a regular incandescent. Okay, so this is the original one, and this is what we're going to swap it out with. So hopefully it's a direct fit. Okay, so for the original one, it uses these metal pins for you to screw it in, and this one uses these plastic ones. I don't see any issues with plastic, but so those three prongs and these three prongs. Alright, so let's install it. Okay, get this in, find that slot, push it in. That was my fault. I should have. See, this new one comes with this rubber gasket already, and I didn't take off the rubber gasket in the old one. So that's why it was so hard for me to get in, because I was trying to get it in two of them. So take out the old rubber gasket, and then my bet is it's going to install a lot easier. There we go. That was a lot better once you remove this, so don't forget to remove that. Now this should be easy. Just reconnect here. Okay, it only fits in one way. Let's do the same to the other side. Okay, so here on the driver's side, it's the same thing, but it's back here. We'll swap it out and do the same thing. Same thing. Let's remove this guy, and we're not going to forget to take off the gasket this time. So let's swap it. Man, that's a lot easier when you don't leave in the old gasket. Okay, plug it back in. Let's take a look at that one. That's the way it looks. So let's come back at nighttime and test it out. Alright, that's the light bulbs, the new light bulbs, the LEDs. I think they're definitely brighter here on the garage. So if you're looking for some brighter headlights, LEDs might be the way to go.